Thank you for choosing Tow Smart Trailers Car Dollies. In this video, we will show you how to load up a low-profile vehicle on a tilt-down style Car Tow Dolly. The same process can be done for our Tow Max, Stow and Go, and Premier Car Tow Dollies. Start by removing the main pin and the locking collar. Then bring down the ramps. Using a guide, ensure that you have proper clearance before loading a vehicle onto the dolly. As we demonstrate here, this 2021 Honda Civic bumper will hit the loading ramps before the wheels. To accommodate this type of low-profile vehicle, we will need some loading boards. These can be inexpensively obtained and cut at any local lumber store. The width of the wood can be determined by the width of the wheel size your vehicle has. In this example, we use two 2x6 26-inch long boards and two 12-inch boards, which are then nailed on top of the 26-inch board. This is basically making a ramp for the ramp. After our boards are complete, simply lay them under the tow dolly's ramps and proceed to load the vehicle. After the car is on the dolly, insert the locking collar and main pin back into position. Tie down straps and ensure the steering wheel remains in the lock position. Keynote: these types of dollies are swivel pan dollies. The vehicle being towed sits on a reticulating pan. If the vehicle's steering wheel does not lock, feel free to tie it down using a strap or the seat belt. Great job, we are ready to tow. Feel free to check out the full product videos on our channel.